What is the Morris Canal, inclined plane at Waterloo Village? Imagine a time when moving heavy cargo over rugged terrain was a huge challenge. Now picture a clever machine that made it possible to lift and lower entire boats smoothly up and down steep slopes. That's what the Morris Canal inclined plane at Waterloo Village was all about. This was a special engineering feature built in the 1800s to help the Morris Canal navigate the hilly landscape of North Jersey. Unlike regular canal locks that fill with water to raise boats, the inclined plane used a cable system to lift and lower boats in cradle cars. Specifically, inclined plane for west at Waterloo Village was on the Morris County side of the Musconetcong River. It stretched about 1,000 feet long and was about 34 feet wide. The incline lifted boats up to 80 feet high, which was a huge feat at the time. The system used rails supported by large stones called sleeper stones, along with iron cables and mechanical parts to move the boats. The boats, called cradle cars, were hinged and could carry up to 70 tons of cargo, like coal and other goods. The inclined plane could lift or lower boats as much as 100 feet in a single move. This allowed the canal to climb over steep hills and connect areas that would otherwise be difficult to reach. The entire Morris Canal was nicknamed the Mountain Climbing Canal because it could handle a total elevation change of over 1,600 feet along its 102-mile route. This system was vital for transporting heavy cargo across the region, especially coal that powered factories and homes. Today, visitors can see remnants of this impressive engineering at Waterloo Village. You might spot old foundations, iron cables, and tar pots that once supported the inclined plane. These remains give a real sense of how innovative and important this technology was. The canal also worked alongside other structures like locks and aqueducts, which helped boats cross water from mills and other water sources. The site is now part of Allamuchy Mountain State Park and managed by the New Jersey Division of Parks and Forestry. Visitors can walk along the old tow paths, explore the restored buildings like the blacksmith shop, general store, and water-powered gristmill, and learn about the history of the canal. The Morris Canal inclined plane at Waterloo Village is a shining example of how clever engineering helped shape New Jersey's industrial past. It shows how people used ingenuity to solve tough transportation problems and connect communities across the hills.